Hi there, students. Astride and bestride. This video is for Eleonora. So, astride is an adverb and a preposition. And bestride is a verb. Bestride, bestrode, bestridden. Bestridden? Bestrode. Bestrode, I think. I think probably both are okay. So, astride is saying that you've got one leg on either side of something. So, he stood astride the chair. Yeah? Okay, he stood astride the chair. That's as a preposition. The young lady rode astride her horse. And that's an adverb with one leg on either side. She didn't ride side saddle. She rode astride her horse. And then to bestride is to go into this position. So he bestrode the chair. But notice the usage of, I think, of this verb like this, to move to a position with one foot either side. I think it's a bit old-fashioned and a bit formal. And I would use the verb bestride to talk about to be in a position of power, to dominate, to be more important than. So I think the banks or big companies bestride our world. Yeah, they bestride various different nations. Yeah, they dominate the position. The dictator has been in power for 30 years and he bestrides the recent history of his nation. So it's like he's standing over something with one leg either side of it. And I think I would prefer to use bestride in this way, because as a verb, yes, he bestrode his horse, you could, but I think I would more normally use it. He climbed astride his horse. Okay, so astride. She sat proudly astride her new motorbike. Or, for example, from one side of something to the other. So the city of London lies astride the River Thames, on either side of it. Yeah, it's like it steps over the top of. Okay, so astride, yeah, with one leg either side of, legs akimbo, see the video, akimbo, or to straddle as well, which would be similar. And then we can use this word astride, meaning extending from one side of something to another. Yes, the Gibraltar and Melilla stand astride the Straits of Gibraltar. Okay, from one side to the other. Yeah, there. And then to bestride, to be more important than, to eclipse, to dominate. The issue of inflation has bestrode the recent midterm American elections. Okay, it has dominated them. Okay, so astride with one leg on either side. Yeah, he stood astride the trench that he had dug. Yeah, and then bestride, bestrode, to tower over, to dominate. Yeah, so maybe bureaucracy bestrides all of us. It bestrides our lives. Okay, now let's see formality. I think as an adverb or as a preposition, astride, to stand astride, I think I would give it 5.5 in formality, use it anywhere. To bestride, bestrode, this is much more formal. I think I would give it a 6.5 to 7, using a semi-formal conversation or above. And then as to origin, well, both of these verb words come from the noun and verb to stride. Astride is a big step forwards, yeah, and this comes from Proto-Germanic stridana, astride, and has various German and Dutch cognates. Stridigen, to fight in Dutch, for example. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Astride, bestride.